Hello and welcome to the Pioneers Weekly. The Indian government decided to replace the 20-year-old Manrega with the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission, Grameen. Bill VBG Ramji. The move has sparked political debate, with the opposition claiming that renaming and restructuring could dilute the scheme's original focus on employment guarantee for rural workers. PM Narendra Modi visited Jordan as part of a three-nation West Asia tour, meeting King Abdullah II. Key discussions included strengthening trade, defense cooperation, and digital partnerships, along with signing multiple Memoranda of Understanding (MOUs) aimed at boosting economic ties. Delhi continued to experience poor to severe air quality, mainly due to crop burning in neighboring states, vehicular pollution, and construction dust. The government responded with stricter vehicle emission checks, restrictions on heavy vehicles during peak hours, and increased public awareness campaigns on pollution control. A video surfaced showing Bihar CM Nitish Kumar adjusting a Muslim doctor's hijab at a public event. This incident sparked a nationwide debate on religious freedom, dignity, and political propriety, with criticism from opposition leaders and calls for an official apology. The newly expanded Guwahati Airport Terminal 2 was inaugurated by PM Modi, boosting annual passenger handling capacity and improving facilities. The project is expected to enhance connectivity in northeast India and support tourism and regional development. A tragic train collision with wildlife in Assam killed 7 elephants, highlighting the risks of rail lines passing through forested areas. Environmentalists are demanding better wildlife corridors and early warning systems to prevent future incidents. Reports indicated that thousands of voters were removed from electoral rolls during revision exercises, raising concerns over disenfranchisement. Election authorities stated that these were part of standard cleanup processes, but opposition parties have called for independent verification. The Hindi action film Dhurandhar set a new box office record, surpassing previous Hindi cinema milestones. Analysts attribute its success to a mix of star power, engaging storyline, and strong marketing. During a song launch, actress Nidhi Agrawal faced overwhelming crowds that led to chaotic scenes. Event organizers faced criticism for inadequate crowd control measures, highlighting risks at celebrity public events. The Bondi Beach terror attack in Sydney was carried out by Sajid Akram, originally from Hyderabad. Police investigations revealed that his radicalization likely occurred outside India, and he had been living in Australia for decades. The attack raises concerns about lone wolf terrorism and international security coordination. Thousands of previously sealed Jeffrey Epstein documents were made public, implicating high-profile figures worldwide. The release has reignited public interest and ongoing investigations into human trafficking and abuse networks linked to Epstein. A mass stabbing incident in Taiwan killed 3 people and injured several others in a public area. Authorities are investigating motives, and the event has sparked renewed discussions on public safety measures in crowded spaces. Protests erupted across Bangladesh following the death of student leader Sharif Usman Hadi due to a gunshot. Demonstrators clashed with police, attacked media offices, and forced the government to declare state mourning, highlighting rising student activism and political tensions in the country. The United States conducted targeted airstrikes in Syria against Islamic State fighters after reports of American casualties. Officials stated the strikes were part of ongoing counterterrorism operations and aimed at preventing further attacks against US personnel and interests in the region. The European Union approved a €90 billion interest-free loan package to support Ukraine's defense and economic recovery. The move underscores Europe's continued commitment to Ukraine amid ongoing hostilities with Russia and aims to stabilize the country's economy while funding defense capabilities. As this week's developments show, the currents shaping our world remain complex and fast-moving. From transformative policy decisions and political controversies at home to security challenges, protests, and shifting alliances abroad. Each story reflects deeper questions of accountability, governance, and public safety that continue to influence lives across borders. That's all for this edition of the Pioneers Weekly. Stay informed, stay questioning, and join us again next week as we track the stories behind the headlines.